All right, looking at permits in Seawall's Point in Martin County, go to our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Click on permit search. Scroll down. The fourth county down is Martin County, and then the second one down is Seawall's Point. Click here. All right, now this website can be temperamental. You might have to try it a couple different ways, but the address that's of a house that's currently listed for sale in Seawall's Point is 2 Palm Court. So let's try typing out the whole entire address and hit search or submit. Didn't work. So let's go ahead and take out the court and see what that does. Yep, there we go. Now, one thing you have to realize, if it doesn't accept the court, which sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. In this case, it didn't, so I left it out, but it did put in another address here, Palmetto Drive, and that's not our subject property, right? So you have to pay attention to the address in the second column. First column is your permit number. B stands for building, and then the year, 2024. Let's check the first permit here. And this permit number, B24, the status is closed. The description is for a fence. So it's a closeout permit. That's great, but we're not looking for a fence. We're looking for a roof, right? So we'll go back, click on the second one down. And this one is for installation of a paver pool deck. That's good to know that this one is also closed out, but that's not what we're looking for. So let's go back to the third and final one for this address. And here we go. That's the re-roof. So we do have a re-roof on this property, and it was from 2022. So just over a few years old, almost 3 years old, actually. And yeah, so if you're a buyer that's looking to buy this property, or if you're an agent looking to show this property to your clients, you know for a fact that there's a roof permit from 2022 for a re-roof that was closed out. If you need our assistance, reach us through our website, homestarinspectionsfl.com. Good luck.